Hi guys! Welcome to another video. At sa video na to, ang topic natin is how to be get invited in Facebook content monetization. Okay? So, paano daw guys maibibigay sa atin yung tool na yon? Kasi akala ko talaga dati hindi na ako mabibigyan nun eh. Pero may ginawa ako na yung sabi ko hindi na ako aasa na mabigyan nun. So, ito na lang yung gagawin ko, sabi ko, para at least kahit pa paano kumita ako. Kahit hindi ako monetize sa FB, okay? Kumita nga din ako talaga sa ginawa ko. At the same time, dahil pala dun sa ginawa ko, naging road din pala yun para ma-monetize ako. So, diba? Ang gara. Okay? So, ayun nga guys. Sabi dito guys, ni AI Overview, kailangan focus on creating engaging, original content, and building a strong active presence on Facebook, okay? Magkaroon tayo ng originality. Hindi tayo nakakita ng nagpa-prank, magpa-prank ka din. Kung sino ka, kung ano ka, maging ano ka. Original ang content mo, okay? Tapos, consistency is the key din, okay? While the beta invite only, you can express interest in participating through the professional dashboard, okay? Here are more detailed breakdown according to AI. Sabi dito, eligibility and optimization, kailangan ma-meet din natin yung criteria. Okay, so ano ba yung criteria? Number 1, ensure that the country is an eligible country. Kasi may mga bansa, guys, talaga na hindi na-allow na maging monetize yung isang account. Okay? Adhere to Facebook partner monetization policies and have a business creator that is at least 90 days old. Okay? So, kung bago yung Facebook account, kailangan pala mag 90 days old. Okay? Or 3 months. Professional page, accordingly, dapat yon. Kapag sinabing professional page, optimize your page for professionalism. Yes. With a professional profile, picture, banner, complete bio, and curated content. Okay, so para maging professional ang dating ng iyong maging professional ang dating ng inyong Facebook account. Okay, it's kagaya din sa YouTube. Okay, so kung hindi kayo marunong, ask me. May bayad. Gagawin ko kayo ng picture banner and the others, okay? And the curated content, ganito. Okay. Pagawa kayo sa akin, may bayad, okay? Mga banner na yan, profile picture or the, tawag dyan, logo, mga ganon, di ba? And accordingly, should be original content. Dapat original yung content mo, share original videos and post, avoiding copyrighted material or misleading content, yes. Iwasan natin yung mga misleading content kasi dyan galit na galit ang mga admin ng mga platform. Kasi nga guys, it's a mess, okay? We're messing up kapag mga maggulo yung mga content natin. Okay? Kasi ang dami na ngayon guys ng mga Facebook page na turn down, okay? And then accordingly, engagement. Focus on building an active, engaged community by responding to comments and encouraging interaction. Yes, kapag may nagko-comment sa'yo, you have to reply. Pero wag mong gagawing habit na yung ganun-ganun kasi ayaw din talaga. Alam nyo guys, nang tinigilan ko na yung kaka-follow, kaka-subscribe, ganyan-ganyan, saka ako na allow sa content monetization. Okay? So, hindi totoo na kailangan mag-follow to follow kayo. No. You have to be original and then mag-upload ka, maging consistent ka. Mag-respond ka dun sa mga nagko-comment, but doesn't mean na talagang yung mass following ka, hindi ganon, okay? Kailangan talagang content creator ka, okay? Another is expressing interest, okay? Mag-express ka ng interest, magpunta ka sa professional dashboard and click mo yung I'm interested, okay? Find content monetization, click content monetization to find the option that you're interested in participating in the beta program. Okay, may kiniklik kasi doon guys eh. Punta kayo sa dashboard, i-click nyo na interested kayo. Okay, and then, focusing on key areas. Facebook Reels, ayan. Leverage the popularity of Reels by creating engaging high retention short form content, okay? In-stream ads, like this, create longer videos, at least 3 minutes that are eligible for in-stream ads. Okay? Fund subscriptions and encourage your fans to support you through subscription and funds and stars during live stream, okay? And another thing is community standards. Strict strictly adhere to the Facebook community standards and monetization policies. Okay? Kailangan hindi kayo nagmumura sa inyong upload, hindi bastos yung mga suot nyo, hindi, kumbaga, reputable naman yung datingan natin. Okay, number 4 is long-term strategy. We should be consistent in posting and engaging to show our commitment to the platform. Tama. Ayan na nga, kakapost ko ng paninda ko. Naramdaman ni FB na talagang tawag nito? Committed. Kasi nga nagtitinda na ako last time. Post ako ng picture. I think nakatulong yung guys. Post ako ng picture ng mga paninda. Reels ng mga paninda. Nakatulong siya. Quality over quantity. Prioritize quality and originality in your content to attract and retain a loyal audience. Okay? Kailangan may mga loyal audience tayo. Tapos yung mga audience natin ng mga loyal, support back naman natin kapag may time tayo. Okay? And then, monitor page quality. Keep an eye on your page quality and ensure it remains good in standing. Okay? So, yun lang naman, guys. So, ayusin natin ang ating FB page at kumbaga content creator tayo, we have to show that we're really a content creator. Okay? Upload videos that are, worthy of time of people kasi sayang ng oras ng mga tao kung pinapakitaan lang natin ng mga bagay na wala namang pakinabang sa kanila. Okay? So, bye. Thanks for watching. Love you all, guys. Please don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe. And share a bit of your star!